I'm trying to get ready to go. Listen to this. I've already had one fight because of this noise. Just separating the pack, changing the order of things can offset and create chaos and stress. That stress leads to aggression. And so we already had one fight. I have to put everybody away. You hear this crying? This is the distress sound calling the pack back. I had to separate him to get him ready for me to leave and film today. So it's a necessary thing to do, but just subtle changes can create chaos. And so already this morning, it's been stressful. This is my wolf whom we're filming today. See when he calls what it does? He upsets everybody. So I'm going to hurry up and get him out of the facility so that we can calm this thing down.